It never ceases to amaze me how stupid anti-vaxxers are. I had an anti-vaxxer post me something about saying the government's action about the pandemic violates the Constitution. All MPs should be given a copy of the Constitution. Now, since we're talking about pandemics, we're clearly talking about health. Health is a state responsibility. So I sent to this person a link to the New South Wales Constitution Act of 1902. Here we see it on the screen in front of us. I said, okay, tell me which paragraph is relevant. So this person goes and says paragraph 51. So I look up paragraph 51, and what does paragraph 51 say? So it says, there shall continue to be a system of local government for the state. The manner in which local government bodies are constituted, blah, blah, blah. What's this got to do with health? Nothing at all. This person has not even read the state constitution. Now, thinking outside the box and thinking about the level of stupidity that people come up with, I thought, aha, perhaps this person is thinking about the Commonwealth Constitution. So let's go to New South Wales, let's go to Commonwealth of Australia Constitution. And where are we? Where's Ausley? There's Ausley. Okay, so perhaps this person was talking about section 51 of the Constitution. And I think this person doesn't understand law, because I think they're trying to say, whoa, gee, surprise, surprise. The Constitution nowhere gives power to the federal government to legislate in relation to health, except for external affairs, right? So quarantine counts. So I guess what they're trying to say is the government's doing something illegal, but what exactly has the where exactly has the federal government exceeded its authority, right? It exceeds its authority if it legislates for things that are outside these areas, with a clear exception of those things where the states have referred powers to the Commonwealth, for example, corporations legislation. So this person's saying the federal government can't legislate in relation to health, but where has it? Except, of course, for funding Medicare, but that's in agreement with the states. I don't see any Commonwealth government rules that relate to the pandemic, except, of course, for quarantine, and of course buying us some vaccines. So people who don't understand the law just blindly cite it without having a clue how the law works. Any matter that has not been reserved to the Commonwealth goes back to the sovereign states. So the states can legislate about anything that isn't on this list. The level of stupidity just astounds me.